Hello there. I'm just going to do a quick solving of this Rubik's Cube. I scrambled it before just to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to be solving green, nothing really interesting about it, but there we go. I'm going to use this app to time myself. I'm going to place my fingers on there, and when I release it's going to start counting, so enjoy. And there you have it, solved cube. I actually got a pretty quick time, 1 minute, 19 seconds, 21 milliseconds. And that's, I think, my third best time so far since I've picked it back up for the last week. So, thanks for watching.